Domino's pledges to expand Chevy Bolt EV delivery vehicle fleet. Domino's fleet of Chevy Bolt EV delivery vehicles is growing, as the pizza company announced today that it would have more than 1,100 custom-branded cars operational in the United States by the end of 2023. About 9 months ago, Domino's announced it would put 800 Bolt EV delivery vehicles on the ground by the end of this year. Less than 7 months into 2023, it has already reached that number, with all 800 cars moving Domino's pizzas from retail locations to customers with no emissions. However, Domino's is planning to expand its plans with 300 additional Bolt EVs set to enter the fleet, and the company plans to have all 1,100 on the road by the end of the year. Joe Jordan, Domino's president of U.S. and Global Services, made a statement on the expansion of the EV fleet. Back in November 2022, Domino's announced that we'd have 800 EVs on the road by the end of 2023. And we're excited to say that we've officially reached that number. All 800 vehicles are on the road, delivering at various stores across the country. We are even more thrilled to announce that number is growing. Our stores and franchisees have continued to express their enthusiasm and interest around EVs, and they've ordered an additional 300-plus cars to be on the road by the end of the year. The advantages of EVs have been felt by Domino's over the past few years. Not only are the Bolt EVs encouraging days of deliveries on a single charge, but also the zero tailpipe emissions, advanced safety features, and lower average maintenance costs have helped the company be more sustainable and economical. We're continuing to see a wide range of advantages from using EVs, Jordan added. In addition to business and environmental benefits, an electric delivery fleet also helps with hiring drivers, as they open up a whole new pool of job candidates who may not have their own vehicles. Domino's lists on its website that it has 801 EVs on the road currently, and 1,156 total by the end of the year. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslaupdate.